going on, everybody? How you doing today? So I've had a few people in the comments ask me if I'm going to do the Roomba 980 or the 981, which is essentially the same exact robot. So I did a little bit of research. I see it's $349, which is actually a pretty good price overall for a really good Roomba that's camera based. So I was getting ready to order it at the $349 price, and I looked down here and they got one for $218 in the Amazon warehouse. I'm like, wow, that's really cheap. Now it is used acceptable, which is typically just okay condition. It's probably going to be a little bit dirty. I'll probably have to clean it out. And then it says large cosmetic imperfections on top, front, or sides, but it will come in the original box, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. It's such a cheap price that I feel like I just have to go ahead and order this. So in this video, I am going to show you from beginning right now till me getting it. I'll unbox it and we'll see just how acceptable it is. We'll put it through a bunch of tests and see if me saving $130 is a smart move, or if I get it and it's just going to be disgusting with a cracked top or missing items. We'll find that all out together. So I think this could be a pretty cool video. I think this is going to be a really good robot. I just hope it's going to be acceptable, like they say. So let's add it to the cart. All right, guys, I went ahead and ordered it. I couldn't show you the final screens, of course, because it shows all my personal information. But as you can see, last purchase today, this was February 24th. And it should be delivered, they said, on the 27th. So I should have this video up, hopefully, by Sunday, the 28th. Looks like, as of now, they might have more available at $218, which is a steal, if you ask me. All right, everybody, it is here. Came a day earlier than they said. So basically came the next day after I ordered it. So very quick shipping. They have a ton of these in stock. They actually lowered the price even more to right at $200. But the big question is, how is the condition gonna be? Because I bought it as used acceptable, and that is large cosmetic imperfections on top, front, or sides of item. And then this says item will come repackaged. I could be wrong, but I thought when I ordered this, it said it was coming in the original box, but I'll have to check that out when I edit this video. So anyways, let's go ahead and cut into this. This is a $349 robot on sale. And let's see what $200 gets you. I predict that it's gonna be in really good condition, only because they have like 180 of these or so available at the $200 price mark. So that kind of confuses me as why they'd have so many that are just acceptable. I don't know, we'll see. So let's go ahead and crack into this. Hopefully it's in good condition, hopefully it works perfectly, and hopefully I can tell you guys to run out and buy this. So this is gonna be basically an unboxing video to see what you get in it, how the condition is for the much cheaper price. And then my next video, we'll do a review. We'll do all my normal robot vacuum test. So if you're into that stuff and you're new, please do me a huge favor, like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot, and let's get into it. All right, as you can see, this is not repackaged. However, just from the condition of the box, it's definitely been used, which we expected. And we'll make sure all the accessories are in there and see the quality of it, if they even took the time to clean it, and all that good stuff. So here's the box. The box overall, it's in pretty good condition. You can tell it's been shipped somewhere and shipped back. So it does have some box damage, but overall I'd say pretty good condition. I'm totally fine with how the box looks. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this. All right, let's check out what used acceptable. Acceptable is one of their very low-end tiers. Huh, okay, nicely wrapped up. Looks like, actually, you know what, I think these are gonna be, this is my prediction, especially now that I see this. I think these are gonna be refurbished by iRobot, and now they're selling them all at Amazon for a really good price. So the fact that this is wrapped up is huge. Remember I said there's small or large imperfections on either the top or side. I have a feeling this thing is going to be in great condition. Okay, wow. This thing is exceptionally clean. Okay, so there's your large imperfection. That little scratch there, honestly, I could care less. This thing could go under your couch once and catch a little stapler nail and bam, now you already have a scratch. Other than that, this thing, this top of this it looks literally brand new to me. I am surprised. Even the brush looks nice and clean, the side brush. I think this has been maybe ran a couple times, if at all. Like these rollers, they're pretty much spotless. I am actually very impressed. Let's go and check out the dirt bin. Filter. I mean, look how clean that filter is. If this is used acceptable, then I would be very happy to be saving $150+ on this model. Let's pop open the dirt bin. Oh yeah, guys, this thing is literally brand new. So, I mean, save yourself some money. This is $200.99 right now, I believe. And they have well over 100 of these left. I'll put a link down in the description. Click that link and then just go to look for their used section. I mean, this speaks. I mean, come on, this thing it's new. It has a scratch from the factory or something. And they're just getting rid of them because of the simple scratch. Now that I look at this, I don't think this thing has ever been ran. I am thoroughly impressed. Look at that. Roomba 981. That is awesome. I did not expect this. I thought I'd be pulling hair out of this and it'd be all nasty. Like there's no dirt whatsoever on here. This would have dirt all over it if this was used. Manuals in there. This thing looks to be great condition. You would see some scuffs or dirt on here if it was used. And it's got the accessory box, which I believe only has the power cable. So it's all been rewrapped. I really do think these are just refurbished or scratch and dent. What do you guys think? How happy would you be buying their lower tiered acceptable product and it coming basically brand new? I think I literally own this now because of this little 1-inch scratch. I mean, who cares? It's a scratch on a robot that's gonna get dirty and scratched up. There is no other damage that I see on here whatsoever. That makes me extremely happy, guys. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. Like I don't have to clean this thing off at all. Would you look at that? Brand spanking new with a scratch. Please tell me in the comments, would any of you, I don't think any of you would ever spend an extra $150 to avoid a scratch on a robot that's gonna get dirty and scratched up just by everyday use. So, the whole point of this video, if you're looking for an iRobot Roomba 980 or 981, which is the same exact thing, this is just more made for Amazon, then here you go. I don't think you can find a better robot than this for $200. I will be putting this through all my tests. We'll do the basic test in my test area. Then we'll do a stress test. We'll do a full floor plan test. I'll show you how good the app works, if it makes a map, how well that can be used, and then I'll compare this to the i7, which is its closest competition from Roomba. So I'm overly impressed. I did not expect to get basically a brand new robot for 200 bucks. Guys, run, buy these up before they sell out. I can't believe how cheap this is. I am very happy. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you liked it at all or appreciate the information, please smash that like button and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. I'm gonna be up to 10,000 subscribers very soon, and I will be doing a giveaway. And at this quality, I might even order another one of these and give away one of these at 10,000. Let me know in the comments if you'd like one of these as the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I might even give away 2 of them. But you guys have to let me know down in the comments. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one.